Let's use Corvic to completely figure out relationships between tables in this customer relationship management domain, CRM domain. In this demo, we will upload a few tables that are related to the CRM domain. There is a schema that is made available. So here's the CRM database schema. So we've got some tables here, the primary key, the foreign keys, and there is also a visual representation of the relationship between the tables. So here's the contact being related to the customer's table via a customer ID, while the contact itself has a contact ID as a primary key. Similarly, you can see activities where the primary key is an activity ID, but the foreign keys are connected to the contact as well as the opportunity. We will ask Corvic to infer the entire schema based on the information that is just available from this single page. We also have some CSV files which we will upload to begin this process. So let's first go ahead and upload the CSV files and explore some of the data. So here I've started a new chat, and in this new chat, I will go to the CRM directory, and I have some files here which are as per the domain schema. I'm going to upload them into this new chat. All right, the data is now getting uploaded. Okay, let's query few records. So the response got generated and a few customers are shown. Just to show you that the data is available. In the next part, we will explore the PDF. We'll ask Corvic to extract the entire schema. All right, so here's the schema that we have. It's a summary of the tables, the primary keys and foreign keys, and also here's the entity relationship map. We will now be uploading this into Corvic and asking Corvic to extract all the relationships. We can then capture this in as a skill and use it to interrogate the data. So let's get started. So I have a room here where I'm going to upload this overview, the CRM overview schema. Let's add an app and drag and drop this PDF file. We'll apply the knowledge graph template to get an agent going in quick order. I'll just press run and wait a few seconds. Great. The KnowledgeGraphRAG template has finished processing. I'm going to create an agent. This agent is connected to the app we just created. So now we can ask some questions. The answer came out as per what is being provided. So it's both the table as well as the relationship summary. Let's capture this in a skill. I provided the instruction to capture this entire schema in a skill named CRM, and I've given a hint that you need to format the answers for an end user. I'll wait a few seconds for this to finish. All right. So Corvic used the skill creator to create the CRM skill as well as update all the information associated from the tables and primary keys extracted and other descriptions as well. On the right side, you can see the CRM skill now made available. You can double click into it to see the actual description. Here we go. So here are the skill. And here in the skill, you can see the tables extracted, the relationships between various tables. Like for example, here's the contact, and contact has a reference to the customer ID, and that's captured. Great. Now this skill is good to go. We can now use this to ask some meaningful questions. Previously we had created a CRM skill. Now the CRM skill is available. I have already uploaded the CSV files which you saw earlier. So I have run a few questions for practice, so we can go through this again. So here's the CRM skill being asked to work on a question, which is provide information about contact named Eva Torres. So here I'll just re-ask this skill. So while the question is being processed, we can revisit it. But you can see that it went through all the important tables and then executed a particular query, the table and the queries. And you can see that the skill was used to create all the joins to join between the contact and the customer. So this is the contact, and the contact name is Eva Torres, and the related customer account is Meridian Health. Great. It also has some recent activity. So you effectively got the view of the customer in the CRM domain. I could also ask which customer had the most recent activity. So here again, an SQL is executed, which describes in this case, the join is done using the contact and the customer ID on the activities table. And we got this information. Just to reconfirm, the same question was asked again earlier, and you get the same answer.